going. Today, we're going to discuss the Planner 5D versus Floorplanner features and which one is the best home designing tool. So let's go over some of the features. For Planner 5D, you get 2D and 3D floor plans. You also get a mood board creator, scan room feature. You have this smart wizard AI design tool, so keep it in mind. You get editable product library, 3D rendering, and then branding opportunities, platform access from anywhere like computers even. And for floor planner, you get also 2D, 3D floor plans. You get a mood board creator. You also get a large product library. You do get 3D rendering and 360 views, and you also get shareable links. For the pricing, Planner 5D, it has three pricing: free, premium, which is $4.99 per month. So let's say $5, and this is $33.5 almost. And the free plan, it offers you like the basic floor planning, and with premium, you get AI as well. And then planner also has three plans: free, plus, which is $5, and pro, which is $29. Now, which one should you mostly go for? As you can see, Planner 5D obviously has more stars in both of them. It has like 4.5 stars and 4.6 stars. And now, which one is the best option for you? If you have Planner 5D, you can even get AI assistants. You can get like Scan Room, Smart Wizard, things like that. But if you just want a simple tool, obviously Floorplanner is the way to go. But if you want to go advanced, then Planner 5D is the best option. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one.